Good morning, guys. Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. So nice that you guys came in to visit me today. We are harvesting our loofah and then processing. After like a month and a half, some of my loofah were pretty much ready. I should have left them maybe just a little bit longer. You want them nice and crunchy like this, but you also want the seeds inside to be nice and loose so that if you shake it, it's like a shaker. You also want to watch out for it to be, you want to check on those wherever you have them on a regular basis. I do it about once a month and make sure that they're not getting moldy in any way. So if you live in a moist area, that's why I have them in my house. I couldn't put them out in the shop or anywhere that you don't have that dry air. So they're in the house, and I wish I would have waited a little bit longer on these, but I'm going to show you how to get the skin off very well. So again, do not process until you really can hear those seeds in there shake around, because otherwise it makes the processing a lot harder. You can see here that I did not get all the seeds out at once, and I had to do some different methods because of the seeds being trapped in there even after I cleaned them and got the skins off. This one is what you want. As I held this one up, this one was dry before it even came in the house. And so just letting it have that extra time, it released all the seeds. Now I'm over here and I'm adding some warm water, some dish soap, and I'm just tossing these in here. This is a little bleach with a little gel in it, just to kill any fungus or anything like that. The soap is really awesome here. Now what I did before I did that is I made sure that we got all the water to go inside. So I took off the ends and squeezed them so that they are a sponge, so that they got all the water inside. And then with the soap in there, after it soaks for like maybe 20 minutes, this is your result. You could see before the struggle of getting this stuff off, and now look at this. Feels like banana. Now after I do all that and take the skins off, I'm just going to let them soak for a few hours. And of course, the seeds are nice and dry because they've dried inside the plant, so I'm going to collect those and save them for next year. 1 or 2 loofah plants will supply all the sponges you need in your home. Now, I thought I'd steam a few eggs in the process of my day. Steaming them works best if you have farm fresh eggs. I do it 3 to 2 minutes. My husband likes it at 2 minutes. But at 3 minutes you get the stronger white and it peels better. But he likes the yolk. At 2 minutes in the steamer in the Instapot, you will have a nice runny yolk inside. And then as soon as it's done steaming it and it goes to warm, I open it up right away. Now in this cupboard right here, I have 2 garbage cans. The back one is for my compost. We call it the recycling area because I think people have it in their mind when they come over to my house, but the back's always recycling. Well, in our house it is, because it definitely gets reused. So now I'm taking these out. After I cut them in pieces, I tried to get more of the seeds out. I'm having a heck of a time getting the seeds out. And that's why I say make sure that you get them nice and dry so that the seeds just come loose. And so I will show you in a few minutes if you can't get the seeds out, and I think this is why you see them flat, back scratchers in the store, or back washers, you know, that they fold them up flat because they probably have this problem when they are harvesting. So basically I'm just cutting out the center, just like so, and making sure I get all those seeds out. And then after that, I was thinking, you know, I could flatten these out and make back scratchers for Christmas, or back washers. So I think I'm gonna do that. Don't tell anybody that they'll be getting probably a scrubby, homemade scrubby, homegrown scrubby from the Hedgehog household. I would say you certainly need some good sharp scissors for this. Now next to me, you can see these beautiful pumpkin whoopie pies. They are delicious. They actually, the longer they kind of sit around, the better they taste. So I'll leave a link above here if you guys are interested in that recipe. It came from Better Homes and Gardens Christmas Cookie Book, and I have the recipe and these whoopie pies in a video before this one, so I'll link that above. There you go, I had to get out the sharpener. Little ones like this, I just use them for washing dishes and stuff like that. They are great and they don't scratch anything. So it's really nice. You're using a nice organic fiber in your home that doesn't scratch anything or ruin anything. It eventually falls apart, but you can just stick it in the washing machine just like anything else. In fact, at the end of this video, to get these nice and clean, because you can see that there's some residue inside, I just put them in the washer and then I dry them by just laying them out. So Sorry about that noise in the background. The puppies are playing. There you go, all cleaned. And here we have cilantro drying in the food dehydrator. And I just let them dry for like, I think 6 hours. They dry really fast. And then put them in a little jar, write the name on it. And we loved our dry cilantro. All right, you guys, thank you for coming out today. God bless, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.